Got a diesel coming. Got this diesel going to Port Jefferson. Got Port Jefferson train coming. 423 is leading this one. So right now, I'm on the other side. We're just gonna get blocked. Oh, that train might not get blocked. So, inside the speed. I got this train. On this side. Here comes this train. On the other side. I'll go back to that side for the next train. This is way better. Here it comes. Port Jefferson. 423 Port Jefferson. Here it comes. Hey. There it goes, 423. 3 cars. Going to the side. Gonna go back to the other side. Might have been my last train to catch. I don't know. But I'll be on the other side for the next one.